Welcome back to Tourist and Leisure, and today coming to you once again from the great nation of France, right outside of the Port du Lyon station. And today we'll be experiencing the TGV for the first time down to Marseille, and we're going to have a quick transfer of time for the bathroom and stuff before switching over to a bus over to Cannes, which is known for the Cannes Film Festival. Big festival that happens at the end of May, a month early, and tomorrow we're going to check out some sights of Cannes that you should probably know about. For to get ready, here we go. Right now they're running an actual train, but no, it's just a tram. It's here at Port View, and its own little section of platforms. As right there is the end of the line at the next set. Here's some platforms. At that, each of the other lines at the top here have their own platform set. But also there's a lot of the trains travel on the left in this part of France. Just like the Madrid Metro back in, well, Madrid. If you're looking at the train, but I like it. Here we are now in the bar car on the way to Marseille. Small town right there, but so they got like cheese bread type thing, I guess. Also, people all showing that off camera. It's dope for it. It's average, nothing special. It's just fun for me. You think I'd end up in Italy with all this architecture, but nope. We are in Marseille, halfway there, and the bus is yeah, I was kind of be here already. Because it leaves at 3:10 and for doors closed at 3:50. I would think the buses would come in around the same time as my train, which actually ended up being on time. It was a little behind getting out. I think I might have mentioned that earlier, but yeah, I'm not sure I'm getting switch between here and there. There's nothing. I'm just gonna close out with the hotel because I'm wanting to do laundry. Okay, it's like 45 minutes behind schedule getting out of Marseille, but yeah, I have a window seat on the bus out to Cannes. So I guess there's some footage after all. there's still regular tectonic activity in these parts of France, because it does, like, definitely was a time it was like part of it was like just like sheared off. A lot of places were like broke up and first moved and all of that. So I head downhill from the bus station to the main regional local bus stop, and there's only dedicated bus in one direction, which is weird. Why didn't you go all the way? Space, probably. Okay, so it's both ways from here now. Sort of. Maybe it's for the stops. So all the issues with here are finally solved, and they kept the same room. That was gonna be it anyway. So yeah, I got a mirror right there. It's more basic, which being technically doesn't as a hot cell makes sense. Sure, I could move a bit more, but you know what? Probably go down and I'll show you guys dinner tonight, and we'll wrap up after that. I mean, I'm thinking like kind of miss like all the vlogging, like, not really gonna focus on that. Mini fridge if you need that. And includes cups in there. Nice rug, more coat hangers, extra pillow and blanket if you need it. Blake Lively perhaps. And then it's a little dinged up right there, but have enough. Just basics for toilet, no surprises. Only has the cord. I think I just towel for the ground. I think that's might be 2 towels since today is enough for 2 people. Some drawers, yeah. You want to get the glass ones right there. I might put those in the drawer just for space. Put my own stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna get situated here, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So the street is designed to like go walking through a lot of restaurants down here, which nice vibe. Chirp. There are like, syrup. There's stuff. Chill, no rush. No rush here. But I've had a few busy days of traveling. Yep, I think I saw what I want from the front, but if I want to start or something else, I can. So you need a bread course, there's a lot more in there. And I went for a Prima Vita, which is from south of France. Too strong. I feel I'm probably a more a white person, but it's still very good. The pasta wasn't what I expected, but it didn't disappoint. So then we're trying to get my table here for this meal. Today's travels. Tomorrow we're exploring some sites in Cannes. Mostly related to the festival. If there's anything else that pops up, we can try that too. Maybe get a bus pass for the whole day. I don't know. I thought I'd do a final Homeward Bound vlog, just I think it'll fit well with transition between the end of season 2 and still like season 2B because of a. And I thought of around springtime is only ring time. And I was like, if I'd push that oil, that'd be more timely. So I kind of like shot half of that before Granada and the other half after. Probably more like 70-30. So you have that to look forward to. When season 3 kicks into gear. And do other vlogs. And I quarter 45 springtime is only ring time. and one that I recorded just before this trip. Those two are kind of like evergreen, so they'll come out probably after my Sevilla trip. Probably doing Isla Magica and another film-related video as well, along with the travel vlog, and probably I might combine Alcazar and Isla Magica in the same video because I think it was the same day. Kind of pull car back on that regard. I think I've kind of been going in that direction anyway, because some of these do have travel portions to the parks. Some are just full travels, but not much really else happens. I'm rambling now, so a lot to look forward to in this final month over here in Spain with me. You know, before I move back, I'll be back stateside by the time this spring break stuff drops, so that'll get you through the summer, and hopefully by the time the series ends, we're going straight into Halloween stuff. That is my hope. So yeah, until tomorrow, kindly subscribe, strike the bell. Buenas noches, buena suerte, hasta luego.